Belly fat is worse than a pack of cigarettes a day. This means that if you do nothing every day, you increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, cancer and type 2 diabetes. So, let me ask you, why accept this terrible situation? So you can easily have a bright, happy and positive future. Are diets, weight loss pills, and meal plans helpful to you? If they work, then you may not be looking for other solutions here. I think we all know these methods waste time and money. They are deliberately doomed to failure and have a fatal rebound effect. So far, no one has solved the root cause of rebound weight gain. But this time the situation will be different. Take action and click below. Remember, you can have it all. You deserve all the happiness in the world. The next time they see you at a wedding, family gathering or even on the street, your family and friends will be shocked. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. They will absolutely want to know your secret. It's the missing piece of the puzzle that no one has told you about. The only thing that escaped you, but that sparked your ears. This system is at the forefront of scientific research and is not yet available to the public. You can benefit from this discovery to transform your entire life. A unique opportunity is available to you. I am proud to present to you the Fat Cell Destroyer. The most powerful weight loss system ever designed has already helped thousands of people change their lives. This program will teach you exactly how to shed every pound of unwanted fat without ever following an unnecessary, express, diet or strenuous, painful exercise program. When you start, you'll discover the exact blend of fat-burning nutrients that flush out toxins in just 60 seconds. This system alone would be enough to get rid of your unwanted fat and transform your entire body. However, I want you to have the highest quality fat loss program to help stop the damage caused by weight gain over the years. So I insisted on adding every possible and imaginable coaching tip to help you achieve peak form. Here are some of the great fat loss shortcuts you will discover in the Fat Cell Destroyer program. The secret, triple spice, combination that boosts your metabolic rate, reduces inflammation and burns tummy fat. The unusual mixture of oil to take with your morning coffee that destroys fat cells, increases feelings of calm and improves concentration. A powerful tip for deep, uninterrupted restful sleep that rebalances hormones, increases fat burning and boosts libido. Foods to avoid to burn more belly fat, and how to eat chocolate and carbohydrates to double your metabolic rate. The unique breakfast trick that lets you go an entire day without a single dangerous craving. How to eliminate toxins lurking in your kitchen, damaging your brain health, increase metabolic disease, and disrupt your hunger hormones. The hour-long strategies you will use to increase the youthful hormone HGH, ease your joint pain and improve your focus. We've barely scratched the surface of the program, but you'll also get. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. The no exercise method my clients use to reduce stress, improve flexibility, and alleviate joint and back pain. The shortcut to improving mood hormone. You can start tonight. How to wake up your libido and recover your sexual desires, male or female. The 2-minute morning method in the bathroom that increases the number of brown fat cells to burn even more white fat cells. And how to cure high blood sugar and reduce the risk of heart attack, high blood pressure and even cancer. And we've included a Fat Cell Destroyer video series for free, where we walk through the program step by step so that everyone understands it. Since you are still here, I consider that you are now ready to enjoy all the benefits of Fat Cell Destroyer for yourself. Take a deep breath and imagine the wonderful feeling of being able to display a superb flat and toned stomach. The incredible feeling of confidence in you as you watch your friends and loved ones gawk at your stunning new body and your slim, smiling face. Significant improvement in your relationship and your sex life as a feeling of happiness overwhelms you. The admiring looks, even envious of the people you meet on a daily basis and who will wonder what your secret is. What would you give to be able to exercise full control over your hunger, weight and energy? How much does an attractive, toned, healthy and lean body cost? Never again feel guilty about the foods you eat. Imagine yourself in a few weeks with your new transformed body. Imagine how particularly pleasant it will be to wake up in the morning and marvel at the slim, attractive body and youthful face reflected in your mirror. What would you give for an almost effortless shortcut to this new, self-confident you? I think you'd be happy to agree. For this revolutionary fat loss program, $97 is amazing value for money. After all, it is the amount spent by thousands of people for a few bottles of fat-burning supplements that have no effect. And it's much cheaper than a few trips to a nutritionist, or a few sessions with a personal trainer. However, what really matters is making this solution accessible to everyone, regardless of their age or condition. And because the Fat Cell Destroyer has changed the lives of many people. By melting their unwanted fat, eliminating the symptoms of type 2 diabetes and improving all their health markers. We have decided to offer a price that is as accessible as possible. We want to let you experience these amazing life-changing benefits just like these people have done before you. So I decided to offer you an offer at an unbeatable price. Not €197, not even €97. Instead, with a tiny investment in Fat Cell Destroyer, you'll improve all aspects of your health, shedding the toughest fat, improving your heart health, and lowering your risk of dangerous diseases like diabetes, type 2, hypercholesterolemia and fatal hypertension, and by stopping your physical aging for up to 10 years, for only €37. This will help me to keep the Fat Cell Destroyer online and cover my costs, thus allowing me to fulfill my mission of helping as many people as possible to get the lean and healthy body they deserve. If you are interested, please click the link below the video.